scope combo, which improves the mirror problem of the old model. It comes with a rangefinder reticle, a red-green laser, a reflex sight, and a Picatinny riser mount. Two color illuminated reticles are in the main scope combo. Green or red, the whole reticle illuminates with 5 levels of brightness. The batteries provided are of lower quality. Higher quality brand batteries will provide stronger illumination. It's shockproof, fogproof, and waterproof, filled with nitrogen. Check out the clarity. I really like the rangefinder reticle. Look at the cows back there as I zoom in and then out. I'm going to be showing you the green reticle first. Then I'm going to switch over to the red. I made some fine adjustments on the scope, and then I made sure I was dead on bullseye. 105 yards. Here's what the reticle looks like. To aim, we're going to number each one of these lines, starting with the middle crosshair at 0 all the way down to 10. This is how you would normally aim up to about 40 yards. At 105 yards, we're going to use the 4th line or crosshair on the top of the bullseye, shown in the example. When I first started shooting, I was using the 3rd line or crosshair to aim. I noticed that my shots were low, so I made an adjustment and I used the 4th one as I showed you in the example. Then I saw that the pellets were being pushed a bit to the right by the wind, so I made more adjustments to shoot a bit to the left to get closer to bullseye. That's our grouping for 105 yards. That's not too bad if you ask me. Could be better, but that's not too bad. And we have the target out there 170 yards under the tree. For 105 yards, we use the 4th line. For 170 yards, we're going to put the 7th line on top of the target. Okay, so we have our target out there at 170 yards. And I'm hoping that we can get a shot on target out there. I've never shot the air gun at this distance, so this is going to be a challenge. For 170 yards for that spring piston air gun, wow, that's pretty good. What it looks like, so that you can get an idea. That's the highest green setting right there, and that's a little reticle that you can choose, and you can choose different reticles. I'm going to go ahead and switch a different one. That's the cross. That's a circle. So there's that one. Now let's switch it to the last one, which is only a dot. And now let's switch it to the red. And you can see the same thing right there. There's the dot. I'm gonna go move back to the different reticles to show you what it looks like. So here's our grouping with the red dot sight, and I'm really happy with the results. And I think it's a fast target acquisition, and I really like it. Oh, and the scope moved. Scope recorder moved. Yeah, it's moving. So as I fire. There we go, that's the Gamma Blue Bomber right there.